All right, people. We are, I don't even know where we at. Like, I literally just ended one video and pulled into another apartment complex. Hopefully, I find the name of this apartment complex, but we're going to do a tour today. We are on the hunt looking for the best budget apartment in Charlotte, North Carolina. That's what we're looking for, all right? This is gonna be a one bedroom, the cheapest option we can find, all right? Cheapest option we can find. If we hit somewhere around, I would say the $1,000 or $1,100 mark, that's in a decent location, I'm not talking about staying in the hood, that's in a decent location, then we good. If we find something cheaper than that, which if y'all hang on to your horses, I got some stuff that's coming up for y'all within the next maybe week or two, all right? Just hold on to your horses, man. We're going to see if we can make it do what it do. Now, I got turned around last time. Let's see if we can squeeze in a apartment tour today. All right, let go. Not bad over here, though. Not bad at all. Also, I got to find my my piece for my stabilizer, y'all. So forgive me for the shaky camera footage. We made it just in time, people. Just in time. This actually, I love the feel, love the vibe thus far. It looks nice. Looks nice in here. They got a pool out back. It's too cold, but y'all know it's a pool out there. Fire. Yeah, this is nice. Okay, okay. Yes. All right, so this is, you walk in the living room. Okay. Dining area. Nice. Okay, okay. Dope. Got the washer and dryer in here. Pantry for the snacks. Okay. Beautiful. A little extra closet over here, okay? Oh, okay, there's the storage. Yeah. Here's your little balcony. And this would be considered the second floor? Okay, second floor, okay, cool. Second floor right here. All right. Nice. All right, here we go. We got the carpet. My favorite. All right, this is the bathroom. Okay, little place to throw your towels, washcloths and whatnot. This is a bigger tub. Okay, you don't really see too many of these tubs. You normally have the traditional ones, so that's nice. All right, the carpet over here. All right, what is that? Got the big window, big huge window, ceiling fan up top, window right here, walk-in closet, which is a lot bigger than the other one that we were looking at. Plenty of space. Got an outlet back there, outlet on pretty much every wall, which is dope. Stand in the corner so I can get a better feel for everything. There it is. Nice. Love the carpet. Definitely love the carpet. Oh, that's what's up. Yeah. You familiar? Yes. Oh, yeah. This one actually has a lot more space. Nice. All right. Here we go. I get a feel for it. Got the ceiling fans up here. I like this. I don't know. This one might have my heart. For real. Wow. Here. This the first time I've seen a layout like this. I actually like this. This is different. Put that big screen TV up there, or you can throw one up here. Go inside the bedroom real quick. All right, this is the bedroom. Love the fact that it has ceiling fans up top. Remember that, ceiling fans, carpet, which is my favorite. Huge windows, big windows. Got your washer and dryer right here. All right, linen closet. There's your shower. Wow. Deep. And the walk-in closet right here. Okay. Kind of see how much space we have with this. Okay. Okay. Nice. All right. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, this is the very first time I have seen this layout. This is interesting. Actually, I kind of like it. Yeah. So this one is the same square footage and the same amount, or is it more?
Absolutely not.
I tried it.
It's a larger space.
Okay.
Of course, that comes with a larger price tag.
Yeah.
It's 774 square feet.
Okay.
And the going for this is 1305.
Okay.
Do not forget the $7 community fee addition to that.
Okay. Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, just now leaving out of, I still didn't get the name of this freaking apartment complex. I really didn't. Shout out to the young lady that works here. I don't forgot what her name is too. Oh my goodness. But she was nice, man. Nice. The technician, everybody in the office was nice. So my overall review of this place, quiet. Again, location. Really, really great location. Wasn't a huge fan of the gym. You know what I mean? Y'all seen when we walked in there, it was kind of a little messy or whatever. It could have been that young lady was working out or whatever, but that kind of rubbed me the wrong way. That was one of the first things that we seen. Now, everything else, the apartments, right? The first apartment that we went in, she said was, what did she say? It was $1,109? Yeah, $1,190. I believe was the price for the first one. Don't know if I can justify that price. When we started talking about almost $1,200, there have been some apartments that's going to be coming out on this channel, which I definitely think will give them a run for their money, and it's cheaper. You know, she said you also have to factor in the $60-something or $70-something community fee, you know, which covers valet, trash, and, you know, a few other things, but that still puts you at about $1,200, right? And then the next apartment that we looked at was 13 and some change, 1 bedroom, and you still got to tack on that $60, $75 fee, which is going to put it at $1,400. Do I think or do I believe that we are standing in a place where it should be that price? Yes and no. From the outside, yes. But when you actually go on the inside of these apartments, because they were built in 93, they still look like they were kind of built in 93. They may have did a little bit of renovations here and there, but you can definitely tell that these apartments are like 30-something years old. So do I think that this place is worth the money? Yeah, I don't think so. I don't think so. I think we can find better. But y'all let me know. What do you guys think down in the comments about this spot? All right. Until the next time, y'all be blessed. Y'all be beautiful. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.